And that rain is going to move through here so quickly, some of you might not even see it or hear it because we should see a lot of it out of here by daybreak on Friday. Now, temperatures are going to be still cool, cooler than normal all the way through the weekend, but they are a bit milder than where they were earlier into the week. And after we get done with the rain tonight, early Friday, we'll start to see more sunshine by tomorrow afternoon. Chances of rain going to be small as we head on into Saturday and into the earlier half of Sunday, but we are going to keep a lot more clouds in place, and we'll probably see increasing clouds with more of the clouds and rain into the earlier half of next work week, and that's around the time that we've been talking about that really cold air mass arriving. More on that in a second. Cloudy skies right now. You can see Payne Field. It's dry, so the rain not quite here yet and across most of the sound. Currently here in Seattle, 44 degrees. South winds coming in at 5 miles per hour. Again, dry. If you're looking for rain, it's out there along the coast and generally over here over the Olympic Peninsula. We have some moderate rain showers too right there along more the central coast, just moving north and east of Taholah. Seeing some lighter showers too up around Forks, Quileute, up around Neah Bay, and then seeing that extend up as you go up closer to the San Juan Islands and more of Whatcom County. Now that is going to start to spread southward, and we'll see more of the sprinkles. Nothing really too heavy, but it comes throughout the overnight as this system moves on out of here. High pressure, that's going to build across the Pacific, and what that will do is that will start to open the door for some of those really cold temperatures to arrive. It starts to allow that to head southward out of Canada later into next week, but we got a few days before that happens. Tonight first, this weak system moves on through. Areas here closer to Tacoma, Seattle, even Everett, but around Hood Canal, the Kitsap Peninsula, rain shadow. You can see very little coming down from early tonight into more the earlier half of tomorrow. So we get that window of still more dry weather while it still comes down farther to the north. But as we go into tomorrow morning, right around that morning commute time, it does start to slip on through. It will be quick hitting again, and we'll see some of the snow up across the Cascades. But then by about 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're done. We are seeing skies clearing out, and we're going to be drying out tomorrow afternoon. And the same can be said heading on into Saturday too. You can see that that system is also going to be a weak one, and more of that rain shadowing again, keeping things from getting too wet here around the sound. But we are going to see a few light sprinkles from time to time. Not a completely dry Saturday, but I think more times than not, you probably won't see any of the rain. Rain amounts less than 1/10 of an inch the farther south you go around Puget Sound. Closer to Olympia, maybe about 1/10 of an inch there. Higher amounts along the north coast and heading up around northern interior for the San Juan Islands and up around Bellingham and Mount Vernon. Tomorrow's forecast, we top off in the mid to upper 40s. Those showers out of here early. The sunshine comes out afterwards. Going to be the same farther to the south as well. Redmond up to 44, 45 in Paulsville. Seattle, we're up to 47 degrees, and then South Sound, more of those mid to upper 40s. Now, I mentioned as we go throughout the weekend, things are relatively dry. Early next work week, we have those increasing chances of rain Monday and Tuesday, and that's with that larger system that does pack a punch with the cold air. Highs falling into the 30s Wednesday and Thursday. Some rain and snow chances too possible in the lowlands.